This is a video presentation for Gurong Pinoy by Study Hub 4. So before we proceed, let's read the introductions. So, learner-centered pedagogy is an approach to teaching that focuses on the needs, interests, abilities, and active participation of students in the learning process. Instead of relying only on teacher-led instructions, this approach encourages learners to explore, collaborate, think critically, and take responsibility for their own learning. It promotes meaningful learning experiences by considering students' individual differences, motivations, and real-life application. Through strategies such as collaborative learning, inquiry-based learning, authentic assessment, and technology integrations, learner-centered pedagogy helps students develop knowledge, skills, creativity, and confidence needed for lifelong learning. Which of the following is the contemporary concept of instruction that is most acceptable to modern teaching and learning? A. Facilitating learning. B. Brainstorming. C. Indoctrinating. D. Demonstrating. So what do you think is the correct answer, guys? Yes, letter A. It's facilitating learning. Why is A is the correct answer? So, in modern education, the teacher's role is to facilitate learning rather than simply deliver information in learner-centered teaching. The teacher guides students in discovering knowledge and developing their skills. Question number 2. Expert learners check errors and make effort to maintain A. Diverse output. B. Large quantity output. C. Quality output. D. Required output. So, what do you think is the correct answers? Yes, letter C. Quality output. Why is it letter C's answers? So, expert learner focus on producing high quality work. They review their outputs, correct mistakes, and ensure that their performance meets high standards. Question number 3. So, for selectivity in the learning process, the novice learners attempt to process blank they receive in instruction. A. Selected information. B. Manageable information. C. Important information. D. All information. So the correct answer is D. All information. Why is it D? So, novice learners usually try to process all the information presented to them because they have not yet developed the skill of selecting the most relevant information. Last questions. Question number 4. What kind of knowledge processing is involved when teacher Gary asks his students to reflect on themselves as self-learners? A. Metacognitions. B. Observation. C. Deduction. D. Inductions. So what do you think, guys, is the correct answers? Right, A. Metacognitions. Why is it metacognitions? So, metacognitions refers to thinking about one's own thinking or learning process. When students reflect on how they learn, they are practicing metacognitive skills.